I can finally tell you. I honestly thought I was gonna have to wait to tell you guys until the end of the month, but I don't have to wait anymore. And it still doesn't feel real. But yeah, we're moving. Not many of you guessed it. Some of you guessed I was pregnant. Some of you guessed I was moving to a house, but we are moving out of state. And yeah, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what's happening before I tell you where we're moving. We are moving. Scott got a really great job opportunity to move to another city for a year-ish, maybe more, but at least a year. And you guys know, I freaking love to move. I have no problem moving. I've lived in New York, I've lived in Florida, Japan, Texas, California, back to Texas. So yeah, it's really no issue for me. I actually love it. If you watched one of my like girl talks a while ago, I had mentioned that I was feeling a little like complacent because I wasn't moving or doing something new, and here we are. So it's like whenever you think like you're stuck in your life or whatever, maybe a time, remember that it's literally just a time, and what's meant to be will happen, and who knows, maybe I'll move too or whatever. I don't know, but I'm super excited. So yes, he accepted a new job with a new company, a new position. He's super excited about it. He's never moved out of Dallas, which is huge. It's also really sad that we're leaving his family, specifically his mom and dad live here. Obviously his sisters and brothers live here as well. So it's hard. He's super close with his grandma, like super close. Like they, at least once a month he goes over there. So that's obviously sad, but it's short term and it's going to be okay. And now is honestly the perfect opportunity for us to make these sort of decisions because Arlo is not in school yet. He will be 2 in April. So we've got some time to figure out exactly where we want to be. But I think this is a really good move for us as a family, and obviously for Scott to support his, you know, dreams and growing and his career and whatnot. So I'm super excited, and I'm so happy that I have the flexibility to support him with this move, in the sense of like, I don't have anything tying me down to staying here. I have you guys, which allows me to go wherever and bring you along on this journey. I'm excited. Like, so many huge decisions we have to make within the next couple months because we are moving to, drum roll please, Chicago. So it's not actually Chicago, it's Schaumburg, which is like a suburb outside of Chicago. So yeah, that's where we're moving. We'll be moving this summer. We're going up sometime in May to look at housing situations. We're probably, well, we're most definitely gonna rent for the first year. Again, could stay, who knows, you know, but we're gonna for sure rent. We've got decisions on whether to rent this house out or to sell it. I have to make the decision to sell my mom's RV, which is really hard, but I hate to let it just kind of sit and deteriorate. There's just so much stuff that we have to kind of make really big decisions really quickly. And I'm a planner, like I already told Scott, like I'm creating a moving calendar of when we need to complete what by what time. I'm so surprised I haven't bought boxes yet. I've known for a little over a week that we for sure made the decision, like 100%. And he passed like background check and all of that. We didn't want to say anything until it was official, and then he told his other company. So we found that out earlier this week. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited. Something really cool as well. If you guys followed me when I lived in Japan, then you know I went to Japan with Nilani, if you remember seeing her in vlogs. I don't think we vlogged a ton together, but yes, we went to Japan together, and I knew she lived in Chicago, but I didn't know she lived in Schaumburg. So that's super exciting. She lives there, and she's got a little one who's like about 1.5 years, I think, so close in age with Arlo. So it's exciting to know that we have somebody I already know there with a baby. I don't know, it's just, I feel like it's going to be a really good move for us, and I'm so excited. I'm excited to take you along on the journey of finding an apartment, of moving all of our stuff up there, and yeah, seeing what it's like up there. My brother went to school there, so I've been there a couple of times, but yeah, I don't know. Well, not in Schaumburg, in Chicago, but yeah, I can't believe it. Y'all, I cannot believe we're moving. Still can't believe it. Pinch me. Get prepared for a ton of moving vlogs, a ton of packing vlogs, organizing vlogs, things like that. And then, yeah, our big old move and figuring life out. So I'm excited. I'm so happy that I could finally share this with you guys because like you have no idea how much it was killing me because I tell you guys everything as soon as it happens. So I feel like it was really, really hard for me to keep it in, but obviously I had to respect Scott and his process of telling everybody. But the word's out, we're moving, I'm excited. Chicago, here we come. Well, Schaumburg, here we come. And yeah, if y'all are from there or have family there or whatever, let me know in the comments down below. That would be really cool. And yeah, here we go. Here's to our new adventure. How do you feel?
I'm so excited.
Yes. Are you really though?
Yeah.
What are you most excited about?
Just having this adventure with you and
Oh,
Arlo
what a
and
great
Winnie.
response.
Just living in a new place, new scenery, new job, new people. New places to go out to eat.
Anything else?
What?
Congratulations on your new job.
Thanks, baby.
Big boy job.
Yeah, I'll start acting my age pretty soon here.
Well, your gray hairs are already acting your age.
Whatever. I can't even see any gray hairs over here, can you?
Not in that patch. All right. We're moving to Chicago. Well, not really Chicago. Where are we moving to?
Schaumburg. I guess we could move to Chicago. I don't know.
No, we're moving to Schaumburg.
How many chins do y'all see right now?
2. And then a couple underneath that, 2 chins. You've never looked better.
Thanks.
Now go clean the kitchen.
I think I'll do it tomorrow.
Nah, I don't think so.